5 VS Code shortcuts that will boost your coding speed. If you want to duplicate a line, go to that line and press Alt, Shift plus up or down arrow keys. If you want to move a line to somewhere else, go to that line and press Alt with up or down arrow keys. If you want to delete a whole line, you just go to that line and press Ctrl Shift with K. If you want to create a new line, you don't need to go to the end of the line and press Enter. You can just press Ctrl plus Enter from anywhere you are, and it will create a new line. If you want to comment a line, go to that line and press Ctrl with slash. If you want to comment multiple lines, highlight those lines and press Ctrl slash. Thank you. Subscribe for more programming videos.